Intro music fades in, excitedly. Welcome to Science Speaks, where we dive into the world of incredible facts, all backed by cutting-edge research. I'm Your Name, and today we're going to explore 20 mind-blowing facts that will leave you amazed and curious for more. Music fades out. Ready? Let's jump right in with our first fact. Fact 1. The human body contains around 37.2 trillion cells. Each of these cells works together like a microscopic city, ensuring that your body functions as it should. Imagine the level of coordination required for all these cells to work in harmony. Fact 2. Speaking of cells, did you know that you shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour? That's enough to leave behind roughly 1.5 pounds of skin cells every year. Fact 3. The largest living organism on Earth isn't a whale or a tree, it's a fungus. Known as the humongous fungus, it covers over 3.5 square miles in Oregon and is estimated to be around 2,400 years old. Here's a cool one. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, a berry is a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower with seeds embedded in the flesh, which bananas fit, but strawberries don't. The average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the world in their lifetime. That's about 110,000 miles. Your feet really do some serious work. Ever wondered how powerful your tongue is? It's actually the strongest muscle in your body relative to its size. This little muscle is incredibly versatile, allowing you to speak, eat, and swallow. Speaking of strength, did you know that the strongest material in the human body is enamel? It's even stronger than some metals. This is what makes your teeth so tough, although they still need proper care. Let's head to the animal kingdom. Ostriches can run faster than horses, reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. And get this, they can maintain that speed for up to 30 minutes. If you think that's impressive, consider the tiny hummingbird. Its wings beat up to 80 times per second. This allows it to hover in place and even fly backward. Here's a shocking fact: strikes Earth about 100 times every second. That's roughly 8.6 million strikes per day. Ever heard of This little guy can snap its claws so fast that it creates a bubble of air that, when it collapses, produces a shockwave strong enough to stun prey, and it can even produce light. Moving to space. Did you know that A is longer than its year? It takes Venus about 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. And speaking of the cosmos, neutron stars are so dense that just a single teaspoon of their material would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. Back on Earth, the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. It's often called the lungs of the planet and plays a crucial role in the global climate. Let's talk about technology. The first computer mouse was made of wood. It was invented in 1964 by Douglas Engelbart and had just one button. Speaking of inventions, Velcro was inspired by nature. A Swiss engineer named Georges de Mestral came up with the idea after noticing how burrs stuck to his dog's fur. In the world of art, Leonardo da Vinci could write with one hand while drawing with the other at the same time. His mind was truly something else. Here's a creepy, crawly fact. Cockroaches can live for weeks without their heads. They can survive because they don't rely on their brain for many basic functions, like breathing. Have you heard of glass frogs? They have transparent skin, so you can actually see their internal organs, including their beating heart. Finally, did you know that Antarctica is technically a desert? It's the driest place on Earth, receiving less precipitation than the Sahara Desert. That's all for today's episode of Science Speaks. We hope you enjoyed these 20 incredible facts. Keep exploring the wonders of the world around you, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing discoveries. Until next time.